Good evening, Batman. Tonight has been a spectacular, most exhilarating night for me. Setting things on fire and blowing things up. That's always been my pastime. What about yours, Batman? I've been busy, Bats. Where have you been? It seems there's a party going on tonight, and I've sent out the invitations. Do you think you can find them all before the party starts, Batsy? I shouldn't tell you where I am. It's time for you to find me, Batman. Holly, get the vehicles ready for the party to start, Batman.